Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to start with lecture number 36. I have already uploaded 35 lectures in the series and I hope you must have watched them. So in the last video, in the last lecture, I taught that how to make the links in the table, how to combine the links into the table. So I hope you have watched that lecture. The output of the previous video was such that, and I hope you have completed the assignments which I gave you in the previous videos. If you are new to this channel, I request you to please subscribe Fame World Educational Hub and don't forget to press the notification bell, as after pressing the notification bell you will start receiving the notifications of my latest uploads. If you are a computer lover, then you are at the right place because this channel contains a huge amount of videos on computer science and information technology. There are different playlists available in the playlist section for various courses: C, C++, Java, Triple C, O level, and UML, and many more courses. Full course series are available on this channel at no cost, just free. So let's start with the lecture number 36. So I'm just starting with a new file and I'm going to save it with the name lecture36.html. So here I'm going to start with some basic tags, as this is a blank file. I hope you have watched the previous video. If you have watched them, you will not get any confusions in these and you will be able to understand these things, the basic things, very smoothly. So let's say the example table, example, sorry, 12. So here today, as I promised, I will start the illustration of adding images to the table. So here I'm giving the body tag and table tag inside it, and I'm just closing the table, the body tag along with. So here I'm just going to create a row and two divisions inside this row. Now the thing is that how can we apply the images inside the table? So I have not used any border here, you can see it. And now here I'm going to insert the image. So you know very well that how to insert an image in a normal document, normal web file, image src, as I have already taught these things in the previous lectures. So now here I have just given the image src, and here also image src and equals to for the URL. You know this tag very well because I have already taught these things in the previous lectures, and if you haven't watched it, just go to the playlist and search for it. So here I am going to use some image and I want that image into my folder. So I'm just going to the pictures column folder and I'm just going to add few pictures into the folder of HTML lectures. So here is no image yet, so I'm just going to make a new folder, say image or images, and I'm just copying this files here. Now such I want this image, I'm just copying the name. As you know it very well that how to add an image. I just go to the properties section and I just copy the path. We just have to copy the path, and now we will paste this path into the image src portion. If you are having any confusions, then just watch the previous videos and also the video which includes how to add images, because I have already taught this and I am just telling here that how to add images into the tables. So if you are having any confusion in the image tag, then just go to the lecture which contains the description of image tag. So here I am just pasting the name, that was tulips. Tulips was the name. I am just copying it and pasting it here. Dot jpg was the extension. And again the same thing. I want this particular path to copy and to paste it here. And I'm just going to copy the name. The thing is that it's not compulsory to have all the images in this folder. That's why I am giving here the relative path, and you know it very well what is the meaning of relative path, as I have already taught it in my previous videos. So here now we have added two images on this particular table. Now I am going to just start the load the my lecture 36 file. I am using Google Chrome, and you can use your favorite browser. So let's check it out. And there are some errors, that's why it's not working properly. We haven't closed the title tag here, that's why it's creating problem. Let's close it and now refresh. So you can see that these two images are here, but the thing is that the size of the image is too large. The size of the image is too large because it's appearing into the actual size. So I can give, we can just give the width and the height. Just say width equal to 20 pixels and width equal to 20 pixels. It's easy to control the size of the image, as you know it very well. We have already studied it into the video. So you can see now it's too small, but we want to increase something, some width. So we will give 200 to 200, 200 by 200. You can give the ratio anyhow, whichever you want. Yes. So now the images are aligned so properly, you can see. I'm just copying this to show you that it's very easy to increase the images, to give the images all together. So how many images you can, the number of images you want, you can give here very easily. And the difference between without table and with table is that the things are very properly aligned whenever we want to give. Like I'm just giving a td, one more td here, and I'm just writing some text here. And now you will see that all the things are properly aligned, because if you check the things without the table, you will give all the things without the table, then it would be not this much appropriate. When you give the text with the images, it will appear beyond the limit. That is, it will not come in this particular line, it will just go somewhere else, and it will not be so properly aligned. So the thing is that it's very good and appreciable approach if you use the table for each and every alignments. Means as we use the tables, it's very convenient to make the things proper. I hope you are getting the point. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are a subscriber of Fame World Educational Hub, thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.